Black pearl pepper is characterized by distinctive black leaves and fruit. It was developed by Arboretum, Floral, and Nursery Plants Research Unit by two scientists of the Agricultural Research Services Vegetable Laboratory. This pepper plant is notably similar to another strain named the Black Hungarian, another designer pepper plant. Though edible, the flavor has a citrus undertone with a slow burn between 4 and 12 times hotter than a jalapeno on the Scoville scale. It is considered an ornamental plant and even won an award for its beauty from All America's selections in 2006. Black pearl is a handsome plant with black foliage, but the standout quality is that the black pearl looks better as the summer season progresses. The plant branches out, producing more clusters of black pearl-like shiny peppers. The plant grows taller and wider, developing into a black pyramid shape without pinching, pruning, or grooming. Black pearl is exceptionally heat tolerant and requires minimum water and fertilizer. It is easy to grow from seed. Bedding plants or pot plants will fruit set. There are no serious insect or disease problems. As the plant matures, the black peppers turn red, adding a new color to the plant. This plant should only be grown in full sunlight. It is very adaptable to both dry and moist growing conditions, but will not tolerate any standing water. Plants take 120 days or longer to produce fully mature pods, but will provide visual appeal from start to finish. I recommend planting the black pearl in a large container with other plants, such as flowers or other pepper varieties. In a pot, surround with white trailing white petunias. In a garden bed, you can also go the white route or surround black pearl with hot colored annuals such as Profusion orange zinnias, red orange marigolds, or sun-loving coleus. When dried and ground, the pods of the peppers taste like an intense paprika, and the peppers themselves are great to use in dishes like goulash or chili. You can also replace your regular red pepper sprinkle with some ground black pepper if you're looking for an added kick to your dish.